Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna be fixing this ugly, delicious slime. And when I found this girl, I was like, ew, ew, there's a hair. Ew, oh my gosh. There's a hair, girl, why? Girl. Okay, this is gonna take, look at that. Oh, that was so dirty, bro. It's red, what's that? Girl. First I gotta clean this girl. Guys, I'm gonna go wash her. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go wash this girl. Meanwhile, wait, I just need to wash her. But, bestie, I'm gonna go. Bye, and then I'll show you what she looks like after she's washed. Okay, guys, I'm finished washing her. She's so sticky. At least she got a bit of washed. Oh, or more. Ew. Okay, after this, I need some hand cream. I need that. Finally. I got it on my hands. I need moisturized hands. Oh god, look how dirty it is. I need a tissue. Okay, I need 5 tissues. Okay, guys, I'm finished. Meow. Do I feel like a bit like Papa Squishy? I like this one. Girl. Okay. Let's get this stuff away and now charm time. But first, we need some glitter. Guys, I'm gonna get the glitter. Wait. I'm back. Here's the glitter. I need some purple glitter. First, I need to do the stretch test. Oh wow, it's really nice, gooey and stretchy. Oh, bubbles. Oh, it's so stretchy and nice. It's so nice. I love this. This slime. This is my favorite slime. Even though it's the only slime that I literally have. It's my favorite only slime that I have. Okay, now I gotta put on some glitter. Girl, it needs a lot of glitter. Okay, let me just. Girl, there's barely any glitter. I need to add more. You know, I'm just gonna finish this whole thing up. Or yours. Yes, this looks so cute. This looks so cute. It's so purple now. Oh my gosh. It's so nice and purple. Ooh. So nice. Oh my god. It's so big. Now we just gotta add some charms. Oh my god. Can I not open it? Okay guys, so I'm gonna be adding the charms now. There are a lot of charms. So then I'm gonna just be adding. Let's add this bow charm. She's so cute. And this Sanrio character charm. My bestie gave these to me. Wow. I don't know where the other one went, but who knows where she went. But let's add this Kuromi charm. Ha! Kuromi's here. And let's add this bow charm. It's so cute. Okay guys, so now we gotta just take out the charms and then put her back inside her cage. Obviously we're gonna put her back. Okay, good. And now let's put the charms. Okay. Oh, finished. Do you like the ending result? So okay, cheers. Bye, best.